In this video, I will show you how to create a map in Tableau with zip codes. First, log into your Tableau account. Go to the left side of your screen in the menu list, click on Location, then a drop-down menu will show. As an example, click and hold onto Country/Region and drag it to the columns bar. Do the same thing for state/province, city, and postal code. You will then see that it will automatically show the graphs and visual representations in your main dashboard. You can also zoom in or out to focus on specific areas and adjust the colors or marks to make your map easier to read. Once you're done, you can save it or include it in your dashboard for better visualization. And that's how to create a map in Tableau with zip codes.